Hi all folks, this is Max from droid So once you have a rooted phone, you can back up your apps. Why back up your apps? You can back up your apps and move all your apps to another Android phone later, or maybe you install a new ROM later and you can restore all your apps. So to do this, you can get the free app off the market. Open up the market. Where's market? Market? And you can get this thing called Titanium Backup. And also there's Titanium Pro, which is like $3.99. If you back up and restore apps a lot, it's definitely worth it. The Pro app allows you to restore apps with one click, whereas the free version you have to do it one by one, which isn't too bad either. You just use a free version if you're just starting out. So you start the Titanium Backup. You'll have to have a rooted Droid Razr, of course. If you don't have a rooted Droid Razr, go to droidrazrroot.com and I have instructions there. I'm gonna actually unroot my phone right after I root it, just so I can show people. And what you'll do is go to Schedules. If you want to back up all your apps, it'll back up all your non-system apps. So just hit Run, and you can also set it to Schedule, but you can just run it, whenever you need to. That's what I like to do. And then it'll back up my Google Plus and all the apps that I've installed after I've got the phone, which isn't much. It's just like, well, it's also backing up non-system apps that Verizon put on there. But you can manually go in there and check out which apps have been backed up. Go to backup and restore. And as you can see, I backed up, like let's say I don't want Blockbuster after this finishes. I can click on it and delete it also. It's still backing up, 46%. So I'll be back when this completely backs up. And then I'm gonna unroot my phone and basically probably gonna install root it again using Linux, so I can show Linux and Mac users how to root your phone. So this is still going. I'll be back. Hi folks, so backup is done. It says successfully. Nope. You get a beep. Batch backup finish. So you're all good to go, and you can always check out Titanium Backup. You can always check out what's been backed up. Usually, your backed up apps are marked by a smiley face. There we go. So you can see set CPU has been backed up, smiley face. So you can press on each of these, and if you don't want it backed up, and you can choose to. And when you restore it, you can also choose which apps you want to restore. So that's how you back up. And I'm gonna go unroot it and then root it, and I'll show you how to. Hi folks, so once you've got another phone, or you've got maybe another Android phone, what you can do is Titanium Backup will store it into directory in your internal storage, I think. Let's go look real quick. It should be under, well, it might be under SD card actually. It should be a folder, no, not this one. So it's on internal phone storage. So you should have copied over the whole Titanium Backup folder to your new phone. And then after that, install Titanium Backup again. Sorry, my market is going crazy because I just unrooted and rooted my phone again. Go install Titanium Backup again, and basically we're gonna restore all our apps, which isn't much. So free install, and then I'm gonna get the Pro too, because it lets me do it in one motion. God, what is happening here? So I'll be back when this stops doing this. So I think it installed. So let's go restore all our apps. Applications, Titanium Backup, and hit allow. And okay, and give you that change log. It's kind of annoying. Okay. And hit the menu button and hit batch, and you'll get a bunch of options. You can I recommend restore missing apps with data. That will just basically restore any apps that's missing on your system with data. Or you can do restore all apps with data. But I'm going to do that one. And you can actually choose which one. So I'm just going to select all and run the batch applications. And it will start restoring. For the free version, you'll have to hit install on these. But I got the pro version, which is good because it automatically restores all my apps, and I'm ready to go install new ROMs or whatnot. So that's how you do it. Restore apps on the go when you have a rooted phone, and you can use this method. Like I said, you can move over the titanium backup folder to your new phone's SD card or internal storage, and restore everything. And this should complete pretty quickly. So I've rooted my phone using Windows. Oh, there we go. So my backup is finished, and I have all my apps that I had before, as you can see. Set CPU and Pandora and a bunch of small apps. Anyway, that's how you use Titanium Backup to restore your apps on a rooted Droid Razr. Check out droidrazrroot.com for more tips and hacks.